Oh, where did I buy my last bunk slides? I bought my bunk slides from John Ziegler at WatCon. I think John sells them, and John's got a great YouTube channel. Um, he's kind of dry, but boy, he does a good show, and he knows. Oh my gosh, he knows so much of what he's talking about. If you guys aren't already subscribed, go over to WatCon. That's WATCON. WatCon. It's called Jet Ski Talk or Watercraft Talk. He calls it Watercraft Talk. Excuse me. He calls it Watercraft Talk. Yeah, Amazon. You can get them at Amazon, but I prefer to. I don't want to give freaking Bezos any money. I'd rather give WatCon the money. We need to start voting with our. We need to start voting with our wallet, guys. I'm telling you right now. You want to see any sort of change? We need to eat the extra dollar or two to support the companies and the people that represent our interests. You want to see this? You want to see this industry grow? F Jeff Bezos and his penis-shaped spaceship, and go support WatCon, or go support, Riva, or go support, JP Racing, or go support Watercraft Journal, or go support Green Hulk. I don't care, but F Amazon. And I'm guilty. I'm such a hypocrite because I buy stuff off of Amazon all the time. But we need to do that. All right. If we want to turn this ship around, we need to stop going to Walmart. Sorry. It's the way we need to vote. We need to vote with our wallets. You guys don't like what Disney's doing? Turn off Disney Channel. Sorry. If you have principles and you believe strongly that companies should not be doing stuff that you don't like, don't support them. Sorry, kids. No Mickey Mouses. We'll do Warner Brothers, Looney Tunes cartoons. Do Bugs Bunny, stuff like that. That's just that's how I feel. That's how I feel. Is we support the companies we like, or that represent us. You want to support the little guy, spend the money with the little guy, even if it's buying a T-shirt and some stickers. You know what I mean? And if you like what we're doing, and you want to buy a shirt, or you like what I'm doing, you want to support the Watercraft Journal and keep me going, buy a shirt or whatever. If you like what JP's doing, or you like Riva, or you like Green Hulk, or you like Taylor Curtis or TBM or any one of these guys, screw Amazon, screw the big box stores, the big catalog guys, and go to the little dudes. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.